Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is quadratic equations 1.1 and this is practice exercise and in practice now 1. So here we have to solve these two terms, a term not equations. So because in book 2 you have already read solving the question using multiplication frame. So as we are starting this book and it is the first exercise, not exercise, sorry, practice exercise. So students are expected to use a similar method of multiplication frame to solve this question. I will also explain a little bit what is multiplication frame and how can we solve the question using this method. Okay, so question is part A as written x square plus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now what exactly is multiplication factor? That we have to make a table, this table, this one and this one. Now as we are multiplication frame is required, so I am just mentioning it multiplication. Now see what I am doing. I am making table of 4 boxes, right? So the first highest degree variable is x square. Okay, so what will I do? First of all, I'll take this, just write this x square as it is, right? And what's the last without any variable? That is minus 8. Write it as it is. Now when we have to solve it, what you will do, you have to take the factors of each and every variable that we are taking here in the table. Now what about x square? What are the factors of x square? So taking factors of x square, which is equal to x into x, no other factor. So what we will do, we will simply write it as here x and x, right? Now taking the factor of minus 8, what it can be? Taking factor of minus 8. So what can it be? It can be either minus 1 into 8, right? It can be minus 2 into 4. And no, the factors, all the factors will be just simply inverted, like minus 1 into 8, it can be 8 into minus 1, it can be minus 8 into 1, but mainly these will be the major factors. So now we have to check which of these two factors, if added or subtracted, return us the value plus 7x. Now see, if we add these both, like 8 minus 1, it is 7. Got it? So it means that if we take this factor, we can get the value of 7, right? So what we do, we just simply write this factor here. What we say, one is minus 1 and the other is 8. Okay, and the last step, what we'll do, we'll just multiply it. How? You see, if you multiply x into x, it becomes x square. Now if you multiply 8 into x, it becomes 8x. And now if you multiply x into minus 1, it becomes minus 1x. Okay. Now what will the final solution? Final solution will be this into this. So final solution will be x plus 8 into x minus 1, which is equal to 0. And further, if we go here, it becomes x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it becomes x is equal to minus 8, or x is equal to 1. So this is the answer to this question. So see, it's a very simple method which is multiplication frames. Hope you understand this part. Now moving on to next part.